But we heard about just why these branches are so important, why we're hearing about these great devotees, because they're trees full of love. They're agents of love. So each one is individually glorified, their particular characteristics, their particular sambandha and relationship with the main tree and Lord Chaitanya, and their contribution. That's what we hear as we hear the charitra, Vaishnava charitra, the name, fame, and glories of these Vaishnavas. And what is the result of that? What does it say here? Very interesting. It gives some... in this chapter, beginning with this discussion, I'm ending here, with this chapter discussing the Vaishnavas, the author of this chapter, Krishna's Kaviraj, he's giving a Shruti fal Shruti. He's giving a benediction, he's giving a boon and a blessing. Before you even read the chapter, he's saying, alright, now I'm going to describe the glorious qualities of the prema-filled devotees of Lord Chaitanya, the Nitya Parishads. Now, something's going to happen. If you hear about their glories with an open heart, and with a submissive attitude and a surrendered mind, and showing regard their adar, Vaishnava adar, with respect, and you honor them and you attentively hear about them, then what will happen? This will happen. Sri Krishna Padamboja Marupebhyo Namo Namaha Gatanchid Ashrayad Yesham Shwapi Tad Gandhabhag Bhavet. Because every week we're hearing the glories of a different Vaishnava. Vaishnava Charitra, Vaishnava Mahima. Next week we'll hear about another Vaishnava. So what is the power? What is the Shakti, this Shravana Shakti? What is the power of hearing these glories of the Vaishnavas, Vaishnava Mahima? He says, the author, first he offers his respectful obeisances to his Ishtadev. This is the Mangalacharan. Oh my Ishtadev, oh my Gaur, oh, please, let me repeatedly offer my humble obeisances in the dust of your pada ambuja, your lotus feet. And then he says, let me offer my obeisances unto the bee-like devotees, Madhu. He says, Madhu Pebhya. What a beautiful way to describe a Vaishnava. Who is he? Oh, he's a Krishna Bhakta. Well, that's nice. He's a Vaishnava. The author here is saying, no, very beautiful, it's called kavya, poetic description. An alankar, ornamental, alankar bhashya, ornamental language, decorated language. He's saying, Madhu Pebhyo Namo Namaha. Madhu, shahad, honey, Pebhyo, pibo, piao. It means, namaste. All Vaishnavas, who are you? Who are the devotees of Lord Chaitanya? They drink honey. They're like bumblebees, prem madhukar. They are bumblebees at the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. They're drinking their madhu pyo. They're drinking the honey from the lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya. These are the devotees that we're talking about. Shuklam Bara Brahmachari, Nandanacharya Thakur. These are bee-like honeybees, Madhukar. They're drinking the sweet honey of prema from the lotus feet of Gauranga. Sri Gauranga Pada Ambujo, Madhu. The madhu applies to his feet and also applies to the drinkers, Madhu Pebhyo. That relishable honey, that makaranda, that pollen and honey that's oozing and dripping from the beautiful, golden, tender, sweet, compassionate feet of Gauranga Mahaprabhu ki. Then he says, if we do that, shwapi tad gandha bhagavavet. Even if a dog somehow takes shelter of such devotees, shwa means shwa vidra hostrakare, samsutta parasham pushu. Shwa means dog, right? Even if it says, Prabhupada's translation, very nice phrasing, even a doggish non-devotee, which means if one is equal to one, the other is equal to the other. So Prabhupada is saying, if you're a non-devotee, you're a dog. If you're a non-devotee, you're a dog and you're dog-like. If you're a devotee, you're God and you're God-like. Right? So we have a choice. We can be dog, D-O-G, or we can be God, G-O-D, God Das, the servant of God. Right? You change the words. G-O-D, God. Now start from the backside. They have it backwards. They have it around backwards. G-O-D. People don't know how to spell. Are you G-O-D, Das? No, I'm D-O-G. I'm dog. Oh, your brain is upside down. You have Ulta Buddhi, Viparita Buddhi. You need an adjustment. You should see a psychiatrist. Yeah, maybe you're right. Where's the good psychiatrist? Oh, there's about 200 of them. Acha. Yeah, it's a whole bhavan. Psychiatric bhavan. Yes. Yeah, there's 200 psychiatrists there. Where? Sant Nagar, Main Road, East of Kailash, ISKCON Mandir. It's full of psychiatrists. They can take your Viparita Buddhi and correct it and put it in the right direction. Yes. Serve God, love God. Respect everyone, love everyone, serve everyone. So he's saying that even a doggish non-devotee, if he honors these Vaishnavas and serves them, Vaishnava Seva, then he will enjoy the aroma of a lotus flower. Shwapi tat gandha bhag bhavet. He will, but a stinky, doggish non-devotee, if he contacts and honors the Vaishnavas by hearing about them and respecting them and serving them, he will take on Kamala Gandha. Kamala Gandha. He will assume and acquire the attribute or the fragrance of a Kamala, a Nilotpala, a blue lotus flower. Because the devotees of Krishna are Nilotpala. They are blue lotus flowers, Nila. Nila Utpala means a blossoming blue lotus flower. So if we associate with the devotees of Krishna, we will take on the fragrance not of a Kamala Gandha, or not a Padma Gandha, but a Nilotpala. Nilotpala is the blue Sham Rang, blue lotus flower, which grows in what's that lake in Tibet everybody goes to? Mansarovar. If you want to see a blue lotus flower, go to Mansarovar or go to Thailand. Go to Thailand, you can see a blue Sham Rang. So these are some wonderful points about this chapter. The Shaka, the branches of Lord Chaitanya's tree, and how fortunate we are to be connected with that tree. So we count our blessings on a day like this. We count our blessings, how many fruits we received. Kripa Phal, so much fruits of mercy. Prema begins with Kripa. Vaishnava Kripa Ambudi. Vaishnava Kripa Ambudi. A Vaishnava is an ocean Ambudi of Kripa. It begins there with Kripa. First comes Kripa, then in that Kripa comes Gyan and Vigyan, and then Sharanagati is drawn out by that Kripa, and then Sadhana, and then Abhyas, then more Sharanagati, and more Sharanagati, and more Sharanagati, and more Seva. Seva Sharanagati, Seva Sharanagati, surrender, serve. On and on and on. And then, that's climbing. You're climbing the tree. Step by step. Then finally you get to the top of the tree. Look at this mango. It's so sweet. So golden yellow with a slight tinge of red. Inviting me, increasing my attraction. Yellow is attractive, but a little bit of redness mixed in there, it heightens my attraction. It enhances my delight and increases my anticipation with the great happiness and sweetness I will experience therein. So then I reach my hand up to that fruit. I look around. I snatch it. But then I think, I should offer it. Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu, Sri Vishnu. I should offer it to Krishna. So I touched my forehead, Jai Bhagavan. When Prabhupada was in New Vrindavan, our sannyasi knows this, he was walking in the summertime in New Vrindavan, West Virginia. And there was apple trees, very nice apples grow there in the Appalachian Valley. It's not connected with Apple. It's called Appalachian Valley, but there's apple trees, saved. So Prabhupada said, they look like the apples are ripe. Prabhupada said, yes. So then they said, Prabhupada, take a look at it. So I picked the apple, and Prabhupada said, very nice. Prabhupada immediately ate the apple. And then a devotee was walking with Prabhupada and said, Prabhupada, you just took that apple directly from the tree and you ate it. You didn't offer it to Krishna. You didn't ring a bell and put a tulsi patra on it and ding, 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 ding. And Prabhupada smiled and said, the tree has already offered its fruits to Krishna. Now I'm simply taking Krishna's prasadam. Of course, we can't imitate. No anukaran, right? No imitation. We don't imitate Guru, walk around, go to the sabji market, nice fruit. Go in someone's house and start eating the mangoes off the table. No, we're not advocating that. We're just trying to say how the fruits of love of God are everywhere, and they've been distributed by Srila Prabhupada, and now they're being distributed by all the followers of Srila Prabhupada, and all the wonderful Premi Bhaktas in the Gaudiya Sampradaya. So on that note, we'll close, and thank you for your extended attention and extended dedication to hear this Katha on this auspicious day of Monday. Every day is auspicious in the association of devotees. Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita ki, Srila Prabhupada ki.